Let's go.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back for another video today. Today we're off to the American Muscle car show out in Malvern, PA. Got the car, got the GT500 swap. Right now gassing up. Gas is 478 here. Whew. Last night I filled up for 432. Not too bad, but into PA, different state, different taxes. Gotta fill this thirsty beast. So right now there's a couple of cars behind me, as you can see over here. I'm just kind of doing my own thing today because I've got to be there by a certain time because I'm hoping to do the exhibition racing like I did last year, except last year broke my drive shaft. So that was not really a fun time, not really a fun event, but we're filling up right now and we're going to head on over. So what ended up happening is that I found that my brakes were making some weird sound, and once I got to the show, took a look even closer, and the pins started backing out from the caliper. Luckily, I was able to get this rectified and be able to run. That's a clone. It is not real. They did not make a GT500 in Legend Lime. Thanks to Stita.com for proving it's only a 2-year production of Legend Lime. We got Dark Horse A. We got Dark Horse B. Nice. Nice. Looking pretty sweet. All right, so this is the VIP section. This whole section over here, this is VIP. So over here we're gonna have the dyno, also the same area as the rev competition. So I'm over by the staging lanes. Had to come over here for no reason, but we got information. So that's going to be happening later, and we'll get you more content soon. There's my buddy Stangmode. It's Stangmode, ladies and gentlemen, live and in the flesh.
What's up, baby?
Woo! Woo!
American Muscle Show.
Woo! Woo! You push a lot of pounds of boost through that.
Yeah, not yet.
Not yet? You gonna get it 1320 junkie ported? Because that's the boost proof.
We'll see. We'll see how far I get with the stock load when I go from there. I gotta get a short load first.
Why's that?
I'm still stock Gen 2.
That's okay.
Yeah,
You could send this on E85 to 800, 900 wheel.
that's where I'm hoping.
The only difference is going to be this: if you port this through 1320 junkie,
Yeah.
you're gonna make a little bit more power. It's gonna be perfect. But this is a very sick setup.
I don't even know what it's making right now.
We got the 2024 5.0 with the VMP blower here over at the VMP section, and you got Justin Starkey over here at the tents. They got their other blowers, but here's the 2024. All right, we got rev competition number 2. Rev competition number 2 coming right up right now.
A few minutes later.
To our RevX dyno competition number 2 for the day out of 4. We're getting into the higher horsepower numbers here. I've got Noel and his son Alexander. Noel, thank you so much for coming. Tell us about what you got going on here.
It's
2019 Mustang RTR, Whipple Stage 2, Cook's headers, Borla exhaust, QA1 drive shaft, Caliber Stage 3 transmission. I mean, pretty much anything you can do to a car is done to this car.
So I know we talked beforehand, you're guessing somewhere in the 700s, kind of around that round. Alexander, tell me about your daddy's car. Do you like it?
Yes.
Does your daddy drive fast?
Yes.
Are you a big fan of that?
Yes.
The stylish kid pulling up to school, from what I hear. You take him to school in it. This is awesome. I would have dreamed of this as a kid. So we're gonna hope for about 700. Everybody, can we make some noise for Noel and Alexander? All right, we're coming in at right around 696 horsepower, 553 pound-feet of torque at the wheels. Pretty close. That was pretty respectable numbers. How you feeling about that?
Pretty good.
You want to do another poll?
Sure.
Sure, let's do it. All right, let's cue it up. For nothing else, this thing is consistent. This is 696 horsepower. Again, exact same number. 551 pound-feet of torque. So we lost 2 torque. I mean, it's consistent. Really healthy car, man. How you feeling?
No, I mean, I feel good about the car. What's good about this car is I can take it everywhere. I drive it all throughout the East Coast. It's reliable. I'm going to drive it home. I'm going to also enter it into the burnout competition, rev competition. I'm going to enter it into everything, and I can drive it everywhere. So they're good numbers for what I want to do.
You're making great power. So burnout competition, I think you'll kill it. Hopefully you can save some tire to get you home at least, but I know you said you want to send it. So that's kind of pros and cons of entering that. The revving competition, I mean, we just heard it. It is wicked, wicked loud.
All right, so that was car number 2.
I think people got to run for their money in the revving competition. So,
all right, folks, we got something unique here. It's an AC Cobra with a coyote. Look at that. Batteries down there. Look at this. This thing probably is a wild ride. And it's NA. Amazing. Alright, we're letting the car get some warm up in right now. Got the GoPro ready. Got the cover plate ready. Got it ready to go. Let her rip. Tater chip. All right, here we go. We're going for the run at Maple Grove. Here we go. Nerves are at 6,000 RPM. Can't even talk.
GT500 swap on the way.
That's what happened. They got too much weight.
Well, that's going to do it for us here at the American Muscle Car Show for 2024. It is now raining outside, so we are going to scoot and go home. And yeah, that's going to do it for us today. So hope you enjoyed the videos, the cars, everything. Hopefully it was good enough for you. Got him saying hi, what's up? So yeah, that's going to do it for us. So peace, stay safe, safe drive home. Stay tuned for our next video. Thanks for watching.